Realme just unveiled a device with a 7000 mAh battery. Here we're discussing a device that will be sold unlike the concept shown days ago with a 10,000 mAh battery. So here we are, standing before an incredible device that features an exceptionally large battery. Huge, we're discussing the realme GT7, which arrives several months following the release of the realme GT7 Pro, but well, that's another topic. Allow me to explain a few of the various features that this device offers and my initial thoughts. Since it will not only be remarkable for the large battery I mentioned earlier, but it also supports charging at 120 watts. This means we won't encounter any issues when it comes to charging this device. Quickly, even though it has a large battery, the manufacturer claims it charges from 1 to 100% in 40 minutes or from 1 to 50% in 14 minutes, ensuring long-lasting use even during sessions. Quick load. This device is the first globally to integrate the MediaTek Dimensity 9400E processor, a processor that is really high performance, although it is not yet the top processor MediaTek, but it is definitely a very good processor. That will give a very high performance in different games, so no problem would support 120 frames per second in different content. As for the design, it also comes with good features because it integrates IP69, with high resistance to water and dust, and even integrates the graphene, which Realme has named iSense, ensures that even the back cover of the device reacts effectively to temperature changes. In fact, it is also this particular layer will enable improved cooling as well as enhanced heat dissipation. Realme claims that it has 24 times more thermal conductivity than standard fiberglass coatings, so it should also help tremendously with high performance. Remember that Realme's GT series focuses primarily on performance, although it also integrates an interesting 50-megapixel Sony IMX906 camera. f 1.88, able to record in up to 4K resolution at 30 frames per second, or alternatively 4K at 120 frames per second. Realme has made special efforts to enhance the lenses and minimize any reflections that might be produced. For instance, in night photography. It also includes various AI tools like a translator, an image eraser, and more. There is even a tool that detects what is on the screen, allowing you to add plans to your calendar and similar tasks. The screen itself is impressive as well, with a peak brightness of 6000 nits, making it particularly exceptional for displaying Dolby content. And HDR. As you can see, it's a device that offers a lot in various aspects. I forgot to mention that it features an ultra-wide camera as well as a telephoto camera. Although it has an optical zoom of 2 times, which means it isn't a very long telephoto, it does have 50 megapixels to help achieve a good digital zoom. I will be sharing more detailed information and tests about this device soon. For now, this is just a brief overview of my initial impressions, because it attracts too much attention to have a large battery without the device. It's very thick or heavy, as the latest data shows a thickness of 8.3 mm and a weight of 206 g. You'll find it quite comfortable, yet it boasts a battery that might be the year's best. Although, of course, it will certainly need to be put to the test, but for the time being, please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Very soon, we will be doing more tests on this device. If you like this video, let me know, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.